damn classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and we're jumping into the oceanic world of LOL O.M.G Queen series. And we have the Splash Beauty doll, and she's in this awesome playset. A huge fan of mermaids. She comes with this beautiful overlay. She comes with this sporty secondary look. She also comes with a bathing suit option. Not only that, she comes with the purse, glasses, and 2 sets of shoes. This is all outside of her original look, which is right here. She's so pretty. This in total retails for $44 on Amazon as well. That's where I got her, Amazon. She's so pretty. So this is the side. It says Splash Beauty. And this is the back of her box, and you can see her sisters in queening. We have the botanical Miss Divine. We have the chaotic Runway Diva. We have the very mystical Sways. And we have the Kawaii Princess Prisms. Hashtag Callie Storm Dolls. So on the back of the packaging, it says, everyone is a queen in their own way. Queens embrace who they are and strut fierce style. Queens straighten each other's crowns and support their BFFs. Queens welcome everyone and celebrate their differences. Yes. And we're coming right back. I have a feeling I'm gonna love this doll. All right, we are back, and we have Splash Beauty out of her packaging, and we have some pros and cons about Miss Beauty. But first, I want to show you guys all her accessories. First, she comes with, this is her Splash Beauty card, and on the back it says, Queens embrace who they are, strut fierce style. And over here, this one says, let's party. And then you open it up. It says, Queen of the show, I dazzle, I shine. When I'm on stage, the world is my pearl. Ooh. It's almost like a kimono a little bit, but it's so pretty. She comes with this brush, these shades which have the seashells. This is her purse, and it is a little slit in the inside, so you can get things in and out, but it doesn't zip up or anything like that. Here is her bathing suit, so this is the up close look at it, and it looks really cute. This is her other jacket that looks very sporty. It has a fin on the back of it, and then we have her little skirt right here. Looks so cute. I can't wait to try this on. Her beautiful pearl heels. Now these are gorgeous. I want some of these in my size. And she also comes with these aquatic gladiator heels, and these look so good. They're gold and blue. She comes with these pink fishnet stockings on. Her gown is gray, sparkly gray, like silver, and then it's pink on the inside. And you can see it does have bunching and things like that. Then when you come up to her belt, you can see it's pearls and then it's gold. Her nails are hot pink. Her top is the same pearlescent type of top as the bottom. And she does have this choker, these earrings, going up to her makeup. It does give harsh blush. She has like very harsh blushing on the cheeks. They didn't ombre that out very well, but I think it may be a color reveal with this that I'm not really sure of. And then this is her eyeshadow, white and baby blue. Then she has her face makeup, her headbands. Her hair is the thing that I'm gonna complain on, because although it looks good and it does move, her hair is giving. I'm not saying that it's not giving, but it's dry. It's dry, meaning that if you comb it too much, it's gonna get bushy. That's the only thing. Like, I was like, why is it so dry? Like, it looks really good. Like, I don't know. But I really still do love her. Now, her color reveal with her hair is, if you put her hair in the sunlight, her hair will actually turn like a the same color as this hot pink color. I'm doing this review where there's light out, so I can't actually do that part of the hair color change. But what I can do is get her into another fierce look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get Splash Beauty. This is her stand for those who want to see what the stand look like. I'm gonna get Splash Beauty into another look, and we're gonna come right back. I'm gonna share my thoughts. This is a lot of stuff though. I'm not even complaining about the price point. This is a lot of stuff. I love it. Let's dive in and see what these fashions are going to be given. We'll be right back. I was actually not going to intend for Splash Beauty's secondary look to be this. I wanted to try on her bathing suit, but I cannot get this bathing suit past her hips. If anyone manages, let me know. It's kind of a plus and a minus. So a lot of the pieces, the clothing in this set, it doesn't have Velcro, which does give more of a high-end feel. So this doesn't have Velcro, this doesn't have Velcro. So a lot of the pieces, you know, for $40 and no Velcro, it kind of gives high end, but by her being so hippie, a lot of the stuff couldn't fit. So this is Splash Beauty when she comes on land and she just wants to do a little lightweight shopping in Vegas. Yes, Splash Beauty, yes. So we have her headpiece going, and her headpiece does go all the way around. You guys can always detach that. She has her high pony going, and I didn't show you guys this, but she also has twists right at the top, which kind of helps form a crown. She has her baby hairs going with her emblem in the middle of her forehead, her blue eyebrows going. She's a very beautiful doll. She gives me very much so hard-working diva. She's working hard for her divorship. Yes, Splash Beauty is very beautiful doll, and I can't wait to play around with her a little bit more. What do you guys think? You want me to create one more look? Let's create it. I'll be right back with my homegirl, Splash Beauty. All right, so we are back, and we have Splash Beauty in her Vegas goddess look. Splash Beauty is an awesome mermaid type doll. Even though she doesn't really come with a fin, her dress bellows out like a mermaid's fin, and I think she will be a wonderful collection for anyone who's into the LOL O.M.Gs. Now, as far as anything else goes, she does have the head articulation, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and they also have the bend and snap knees, and they have hip articulation. She does come with lots of mix and match value. On the back of the packaging it says 125 mix and match looks. MGA, are you telling the truth? I definitely think she's a fun doll. For anyone who wants to add her to collection, I say she's worth it. She's a fun doll, she's cute, and I really enjoy her pieces. They did not hold back. A lot of these items seem like upscale type of clothing, so I'm happy to have her. I want to thank you guys for watching me today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. And remember this, I will see you in my next video.